Most riders think skill means leaning a little harder, cornering a little faster, or looking cool on the highway. But that's exactly why so many riders stay average their entire lives, because they measure progress in speed instead of control. And control is the real currency of a rider. The truth no one tells you is this: a motorcycle doesn't respond to what you want, it responds to what you are. Your confidence, your posture, your breathing, your micro-corrections, your split-second judgment. Your bike mirrors all of it. That's why two riders can sit on the exact same machine, but one moves like a beginner, and the other moves like they were born with the engine. And here's the uncomfortable part. Most riders ride for years without ever learning the techniques that actually save lives, prevent crashes, and make the machine feel like an extension of your nervous system. They practice the wrong things, obsess over the wrong things, and worst of all, they trust their instincts instead of training them. Because motorcycle instincts are not natural, they're built. When you learn the right tricks, everything changes. Your brain stops panicking in tight spaces. Your hands stop fighting the handlebars. Your body stops freezing in sudden danger. And for the first time, the bike stops feeling like a vehicle and starts feeling like a living creature you can command with absolute authority. These tricks aren't about showing off, they're about survival, dominance, and mastery. They turn you from someone who rides a motorcycle into someone who controls one, from someone who reacts into someone who predicts, from someone who hopes for safety into someone who guarantees it. And the moment you understand even half of what you're about to learn, your riding will never feel the same. You'll corner smoother, brake smarter, escape threats faster, and ride with a calm confidence that other riders can't even understand because they've never felt it. So if you think you know how to ride, prepare to be humbled. And if you're ready to rise above the average rider forever, then welcome. These are 10 brilliant motorcycle tricks every rider should know. And by the end of this video, you'll realize why the riders who master them aren't just better, they're on a completely different level. 1. The friction zone mastery. Most riders never realize the clutch isn't just for starting the bike, it's the real controller of smoothness. When you master the friction zone, the bike stops jerking, lunging, or resisting you. Slow turns feel effortless, tight spaces feel easy, and the machine finally obeys micro-commands instead of reacting violently. This one skill alone separates nervous riders from those who glide like they're floating. 2. Counter-steering awareness. You don't turn a motorcycle with your arms, you turn it with your psychology. Counter-steering is the hidden language between you and the bike. Push right to go right, push left to go left. Once your brain accepts this, your cornering becomes sharper, your reactions become faster, and your confidence skyrockets. Most riders fight their handlebars. Masters whisper to them. 3. Emergency braking control. Anyone can accelerate, but only great riders know how to stop without panicking. Emergency braking isn't about squeezing harder, it's about squeezing smarter. Progressive pressure, weight shift, and timing decide whether you stop safely or slide into disaster. When you train this skill, your body stops freezing in danger and starts calculating automatically. 4. Low-speed balance technique. High speed hides your mistakes, low speed exposes them. Riding slow is where real control lives. The trick is gentle throttle, light clutch, and steady eyes. When you can maneuver at walking speed without wobbling, you unlock a level of balance that makes every ride, tight U-turns, traffic, parking lots, feel effortless instead of stressful. 5. Look where you want to go rule. Your bike follows your eyes, not your intentions. If you stare at the obstacle, you hit it. If you stare at the exit, you reach it. This rule is so powerful it feels like mind control. The moment you train your vision discipline, the bike reacts with precision you didn't know you were capable of, almost like it can read your thoughts. 6. Trail braking confidence. Trail braking is the technique most riders fear and the experts depend on. Light brake into the corner, release smoothly, and the bike stays planted instead of drifting wide. It gives you control over your line, your speed, and your stability. Suddenly, corners that used to intimidate you become corners you dominate. 7. Weight shifting advantage. Your body is not a passenger, it's part of the steering system. A small lean, a slight hip shift, or dropping a shoulder changes the entire behavior of the bike. This trick lets you take turns smoother, correct mistakes faster, and stay stable on uneven roads. The bike moves with you, not against you. 8. Smooth throttle discipline. Most riders twist the throttle emotionally. Too fast, too sudden, too unpredictable. Smooth throttle isn't about speed, it's about stability. When your input becomes controlled, the bike stops feeling wild and becomes predictable. Your ride becomes buttery, your corners clean, and your engine response sharper and safer. 9. Escape path awareness. Every skilled rider sees two roads, the one they're on and the one they'll escape to if something goes wrong. Cars brake suddenly, animals jump out, drivers drift into your lane. But riders who train escape awareness never freeze. Your mind starts calculating options automatically, turning panic situations into solvable ones. 10. The ride loose, react fast principle. Tension is the enemy of survival. A stiff rider can't steer, can't brake, can't adjust. The trick is riding loose. Relaxed arms, calm shoulders, flexible grip. When your body stops fighting the bike, your instincts sharpen. You react faster, handle shocks better, and feel every vibration with clarity instead of fear. Funny thing about motorcycle riding, the moment you learn something new, your brain suddenly realizes how much it didn't know before. And now that you've heard these 10 tricks, one of them has already started rewiring the way you think about riding. You felt it. You heard a point that hit a little deeper. A point that made you rethink how you've been riding all this time. And that's exactly the one I want to know. Which trick shocked you the most? Which one made you stop and go, "Damn, I've never thought about that"? Tell me in the comments, because your answer might be the thing another rider needs to hear before they make a mistake. And listen, if you want more riding psychology, more hidden skills, and more real-world techniques that actually change how you ride, then help me push this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Not as a favor, but as a challenge. Let's see how fast this community of smarter, sharper riders can hit that number. Your move.